Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a wig by Outre. I've reviewed this wig before in the past. However, I wanted to get it in a 1B. So this is going to be my review of this unit in this color. I will link the review that I did previously in the description box below. So this is your party area. Show you that real good. And here is the inside. You get two combs right here on the side, one closer to the part and one looks like mid-temple. You get a comb in the back and adjustable straps. The inside of the cap construction is just your regular cap construction where you see you have the tracks inside and you get the stretchy parts. So this is the unit. She's gonna be a cute unit. So it looks like she got some curls on the side, and then she has a curl at the bottom here, and in the back it's maybe two layers. And then she has this curl on this side. So let's see if we like it. Okay, here I am going in and I'm gonna clean up the parting area. So the technique that I generally use to do this is I take a small bobby pin and I go along the part and I just pull a little bit of the hair up and start to pull it out. I'm going to attempt to show you how I do it with the bobby pin here soon, but I take just, like I said, a little teeny bobby pin and then I slide that along the part and then I pull up a small bit of hair and then I start to slowly pluck that out, and you see it's only a little bit, and then I slowly start to take it out. You need to twist and then pull gently. Do not just pull it. A lot of times that will make you put a hole in your lace. And after I get done doing that, then I'm going to attempt to see how wide the part is at that point. So I'll put my finger back under there just to kind of see the width of the part. Is it too wide? Do I need to go back and do more? And see, as you look through, it's coming slowly but surely, it's coming. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on, and then once I get it on, I will measure the front of my head and I will start to cut the lace off. Once I get the lace cut off and everything, I am going to take a little bit of my edges out and I will begin to style it. I will come back at the end to give you my final thoughts on Miss Sherise. You already know, you could tell by the smile on my face that she is another banger. Oh my God, you gotta have this one. So here's the front of the unit. I absolutely love this. This is the front. And here is this side. So much body in this unit. This is the back. And this side. So she is really, really, really cute. Really cute. This is all the hair to the front. I didn't have to cut this hair. I love the layers that's in it. I didn't have to really do anything to the actual hair. And I didn't put curls in it because I just want you to see how it is when it comes like right out of the package. And all I did was spray the bang just so it can just keep that curl in the front. But this hair is so soft, so nice. It's a synthetic wig, but this feels like human hair. It is just that soft and just that manageable. So besides the parting area having to be tweezed just a little bit, just to kind of give it the look you want, and you can go in and tweeze it some more if you want, that's pretty much it. This is a ready to wear wig. This is an easy everyday wear the wig to work, throw it on and go. I just absolutely love it. So you can dress it up or dress it down. You probably can pull it up into a ponytail or something like that. Obviously you can pull it back into a tight ponytail. So very versatile. So if you ladies are interested in this wig, I will leave all the information to purchasing Miss Sherise in the description box below. If you have not yet, I don't know what you're waiting on, subscribe to the channel, hit the subscription button, and if you like, hit the bell next to it. You'll be notified every single time I upload a video. If you decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media, don't forget to tag me in it. And as you know by now, my name is Beauty by Mark. I will see you ladies in my next video. Bye.